The Frozen File. The Forbidden Truth about Antarctica. For over 60 years, we have been told the same story. Antarctica is melting. Oceans are rising. Cities will be swallowed by water. But observable reality does not confirm this apocalyptic scenario. Not even a single clear, measurable, and undeniable centimeter has been publicly demonstrated. The same ice, the same shores, the same flat Earth, and the same narrative repeated obsessively. Why? Because fear is the perfect tool of control. Fear justifies taxes, rules, restrictions, and global programs. Data is reinterpreted. Models are adjusted. Everything is packaged into a story complex enough that the average person stops questioning it. But the truth does not stop here. The biggest lie is not about melting. It is about what Antarctica truly is. We were told that Antarctica is an isolated continent at the South Pole. In reality, Antarctica is not a continent in the classical sense. It is a colossal frozen expanse, the icy edge of the flat Earth, the frontier between the known world and what lies beyond. Public access is strictly controlled. Scientific expeditions are guided only along the edges. A few glaciers, a few research stations, a few carefully selected tourist routes are shown. There is no free exploration of the real interior. There are no uncontrolled crossings. There is no access without supervision. Everything is filtered, because beyond these permitted points begins the forbidden zone, the ice wall. A massive wall of ice stretching for thousands of kilometers, which is not just a natural formation. It is the final barrier of the known world. A real, physical frontier that marks the limit of the official map. Beyond this wall, according to ancient documents, forbidden maps, and ignored testimonies, there is nothing. There are other territories, other seas, other lands, perhaps even other civilizations. That is why strange international treaties exist. That is why armies from countries that officially hate each other cooperate peacefully in Antarctica. Not for climate research, not to protect penguins, but for guarding the edge, guarding the truth. They do not want you to know that the world does not end where the ice begins. They do not want you to see that the maps are incomplete. They do not want you to realize that the globe is the most efficient story ever told to hide the true geometry of the world. Antarctica is not the end of the world. It is the closed gate. And the ice wall is not the end of the road. It is the beginning of something that must not be discovered. Awakening does not begin with technology. It does not begin with charts. It begins with a simple question. If something is being hidden from us, what is so important that it must be guarded by the entire world?